Elon Musk's current fortune is about $406 billion. So how many F-35 fighter jets can Elon buy with $406 billion? Let me tell you. First of all, there are three variants of F-35 fighter jets. The first is the F-35A for the Air Force. The second is the F-35B, which can take off vertically. And finally, there is the F-35C variant designed for aircraft carriers. Among these three options, the best for Elon would be the F-35A. The current unit price of this aircraft is $82 million. If he wants to buy this jet with his entire fortune, he can buy 4,951 units in total. Elon Musk would have to wait about 30 years for all fighter jets to reach his hands. So Elon could own the world's largest fleet of fighter jets at the age of 83.